Back to the channel, man. Back with another video as usual, giving y'all the good content, man. If you are new to the channel, man, make sure you go like, share the video, smash the subscribe button as well. Turn on all post notifications so you can be notified every time I post a video. What we doing today? I'm about to install, quick install some tire pressure monitoring system. Got them off eBay. You already know. If you ain't new to the channel, you know I get everything off eBay. So little eBay piece, kind of the same thing you can get on Amazon. Module sensors. And they are labeled front right, all the good stuff. You got like a little screw. And you got these little nuts as well. We're not gonna put those on there. These is like anti-theft, something like that. We about to get that installed real quick. You really don't need any other tools, just those alone. But other than that, man, let's get into the video.
Yeah, hey, my homie got rich in the trap. I know that he's thinking I'm mad. When he dials my number, he says that he wonders why I don't, and I won't hit him back. One day I did hit him back. One day I did hit him back. Told him that crazy is black, and I told him to keep all the loss. Then I'm coming back, but my homie
So you have your mode button, and you have your pause button, and my finger's on the actual power button. You want to hold that power button down for 3 seconds, and it'll cut that module on. We'll get into more of the features and how they work a little bit later on. Instructions, trash. Don't even bother reading them, honestly. You probably can find this on YouTube or something. But I pretty much go through some of the stuff in the video. This is actually a pretty neat feature. You got your PSI, and then you have your Celsius. I believe I'll show you how to change that later on. You can change it to Fahrenheit, but it shows you your PSI, and it shows you your tire temperature. It shows each tire's temperature, how hot it is on the inside. Really nice feature. This is solar powered, and you also can charge it as well. But this is gonna mount on your dash or your front windshield, so it can stay charged. But other than that, let's get these. We'll try one tire per sensor and make sure it works. And this is wireless. So we're gonna do this one right here. The right passenger rear. So sorry y'all, man. I didn't mean to do voiceovers on this right now, but I recorded with the wrong phone. I don't know why it's like making some clicking sound. But, I'm just explaining like why I got these tire pressure sensors. My tires got bald on the side, and I figured out why. I was just going into how one time my pressure was real low. Like when all the snow hit in Oklahoma, my pressure got low. I didn't really think about it until later on, but I've been riding on like 26 PSI, 25 PSI on all my tires. The good thing, my back tires stayed intact, so I was only replaced the front two, which actually went back to the back, to my rear. So if y'all didn't know, I'm gonna probably do a little video on it real quick vlog on it later on. I got some 255s, about 50 17s on the back. And it looks a lot better than those 225s. Just FYI on there. Put that on. The batteries are included in here as well. And it does read the tire pressure. As you see, 35. side. I did just correct my tire pressure, so you might want to make sure you check your tire pressure as well. I got these new tires. I did check my tire pressure. That's all I'm saying. I'm gonna put these in the bag or something. I'm just giving y'all a quick example, pretty much a live example of how it actually works. They do work pretty well. I want to see how long they'll last, so I'll probably do a 6-month review or a 3-month review. So this is change some settings and features in it. Hold that mode button down for a couple seconds. I think it's like 3 seconds, just like the power button. And you can cycle through as well. If you want to change it, hit that that pause or that arrow, which is to the right there. And that's how you end up changing your functions and stuff like that. Man, I'm really sorry I was talking the whole video, but my phone is just like clicking. I normally use another phone to record, but got a voiceover for y'all, man. But that as well, like if you want to change your tire pressure, for your tire pressure warning light, you can change it to like 28 or 30 and it'll go off and say low pressure from there. So that's all I'm going to in explaining it. And then high tire pressure as well, so the highest that you want it can be like 40. If it goes over that, then it'll warn you and everything like that. So it's pretty straightforward. You don't really need the instructions. The instructions are chicken scratch. I don't know why they gave those instructions, but it's still pretty simple though for the most part. Once again, pretty straightforward install, man. It takes what, like less than 3 minutes to do all this, literally. Also, if you are wondering if you can keep it on the whole time instead of constantly cutting it off, that's the only downside. I would say, like, if you want to constantly cut it off every time you crank the car or every time you get out the car to do something, you can leave it on. I tested it overnight. I still got a full battery. I left it on all night from this time to all night. Yesterday when I did this, it was like 4 or 5 o'clock to right now, as I'm speaking, it's 3:27. So it's still full battery. If your car is outside, you really don't need to worry about it because it's always going to stay charged. So once again, that's going to make it a wrap for the video. Let me know what y'all think about the video. Leave your comments down below. This is why I wanted an old school car, anything like old, so I can just modify it, man. It's just so much stuff that you can just modernize your car with, and it doesn't cost much either. So instead of paying for a 2022 Charger or a 2021 Charger, Scat Pack, all that type of stuff, any car in general, you can modernize these old cars and make them to what it is. So I was supposed to be doing a video this month of a, what is it called? Push button start system, so remote start, push button start, so without using a key. So be on the lookout for a video for that. I'm gonna probably get that done either this month or next month. I'm gonna get that done. But other than that, man, make sure you like, share the video, smash the subscribe button as well.
Laughing to the bank now. We getting bags, no more water, I just sing now.